Hi everybody, this is Daniel Lloyd from London and Zurich, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Upload Collection Schedule function of the new London and Zurich portal. This function is great because it allows you to upload multiple collection schedules in one go. That is, ongoing collections on a regular basis for the same amount, whether that's going to be taken on a monthly, quarterly, annual basis, and a few other options as well. However, if each of your customers pays a different amount each time you collect from them, this is not going to be the tutorial for you. Instead, please see our video called How to Upload Collections. So, I've showed you how to add multiple single collections for multiple customers using a CSV file, but what if you want to add multiple ongoing collections for multiple customers? You can also do this using a CSV file. So, the way we do this is we'd use the drop-down navigation menu and go to Upload Collection Schedules. We click here, and again we can download a file format for the CSV file that's going to allow us to upload this information. So let's open that up, and you'll see the column names that you're going to need to input information for. So I'm going to show one that I've done already. Let's open that up. So, here on the left column you have the customer reference number and your group number. Then you have the first collection date that you want to collect from for your customers. And then you have the first collection amount that you can input. So if you wanted to add a collection where you're taking a single one-off payment first and then an ongoing collection, you would fill in these two columns here. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm not going to be doing that, so I'm going to leave them blank. What I'm going to be filling in is a regular collection date and a regular collection amount and a regular frequency. So, I've set the regular collection date to be the 25th of June, so that's when the first payment is going to be taken, and then it's going to be taken on the 25th of every subsequent month. I've then set the amount, so it's going to be £249.99. Here, this column, you set the regular frequency, and what that's asking you for is for you to explain whether you're going to be doing these payments on a monthly, quarterly, yearly basis, etc. If we go back to the portal, there's an explanation of this here in this row, the regular frequency. For the purposes of this, I'm going to be using number 1 to show that it's going to be monthly, which goes in here. You can also set the number of regular collections that there are going to be until this collection is stopped. So say if you wanted to collect from a customer for every month for a year, you'd put in 12 here, and then when the 12th collection is made, that collection would stop. You can alternatively leave it blank if you want it to be ongoing and to not stop after a certain time. So, once you're happy with all of your information, you just need to delete the information that's not going to be added as a line of customer information. So these two lines here, I'm going to delete them. And I'm going to save this and close it down. Then I'm going to go to the portal and go to the Upload Collection Schedules section. And I'm going to choose a file. Then I'm going to select the one I chose, which is Test Collection Schedule Upload. Double click that, and you can see it's added in there because the name of it is showing up. And then all you do is you click Upload Schedules. So, that attempt to import the CSV file actually failed, and there's a good reason for that, and it's a good opportunity to show to you why. The reason for it is because this Excel spreadsheet upload actually needs to be done slightly differently. What you're supposed to do when you download the file format is you're supposed to actually keep this first line of data here instead of deleting it, and just add the information in underneath. So what you end up with is a spreadsheet that looks more like this with the data kept in. So now I'm going to save this. Go up to the portal, try again, choose a file, click upload. And there we go. That has now successfully uploaded the file collection date for these two customers. We can see that because I left the first collection date and the first collection amount blank, those are now blank with a 0 amount in the first collection date. But the regular collection date, which is going to be the 25th of June and continuing on the 25th of every month, with the regular collection amount of £249.99, done on a regular monthly basis, and with a 0 here, that means that it's going to be going on continuously until either I or the end user cancels the direct debit. And there you go. That's how you add multiple collections in one go. You can do this with as many customers as you need, all at the same time, meaning that if you have lots of collections to upload on a regular basis, you can do that with relative ease. Thanks very much for watching this demo video on our new portal. If you need more help and support, be sure to check out the help section of our portal. To access it, just click help up at the top section, and you'll find a number of resources available to help you. You can view our frequently asked questions here, which have a number of questions and answers that are typically asked. We also have a Direct Debit Portal user guide, which you can download by clicking this link here. It explains in good detail a number of different operations that you may like to carry out on the portal and how to go about doing them, as well as the various nuances associated with that. Lastly, you can also post a question anytime you like to our customer services team by clicking this button in the bottom right corner, and you'll get a same-day response for any inquiries. Thanks very much. Enjoy using our portal.